Hello all, today we'll be making Dal Takda. Ingredients are mentioned in the description below. Toor dal, moong dal and masoor dal 1 cup each. We'll be pressure cooking it, so wash it properly. Add 3 teaspoons salt, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder for 3 whistles. Take a karai and add 3 to 4 tablespoon oil. Mustard seeds, cumin seeds, 1 dried red chilli, hing, keep it on low flame, ginger garlic paste, one chopped onion, one chopped green chilli and kadhi patta. Coriander, one chopped tomato, dhania powder, garam masala, jeera powder and methi powder 1 teaspoon each. Mix and fry properly. Add the boiled dal. Add water. The dal tadka is almost ready. Add 1 to 2 teaspoon ghee. Add chopped coriander leaves for garnishing. Do let us know if you tried this dish, how you liked it, comment on the section below. If you are new to this channel, then do hit the red button that is subscribe. Thank you.